This is Rich 25 by 30 garage. I just wanted to give you guys a close-up of the how much dirt is just caked on the engine and every part of it. Like I said, everywhere that like oil could ooze out of or some grease or whatever, this is what you got. Look how caked all that stuff is. Now the problem I have is these two holes for the spark plugs are full of dirt. I don't know why they didn't have the spark plugs in there, but they're not there. So you can clearly see that these two, them pistons must be pretty high because they're full of dirt. And these two are further down, and I don't see any dirt in them. I see some dirt at the entrance, and look how caked the transmission is. You can't even see the pan. That's how caked it is. But that's the kind of dirt that they have up there in Big Spring, Texas. Look at that. It's caked. Just everything. There's when I moved the inner fender. See all the dirt that was behind the inner fender. And it's just everything. Bottom of the oil pan. And any time that the oil looks like the oil would seep out, it would mix with dirt and this clog, clod up. There's the engine mount. And then here's look at all the dirt at the bottom of the radiator. There's really no rust, as far as I can see. There's a little bit underneath on the floor, but I'm gonna have to power wash and get after all this. And as you can see, even inside the frame right there, you can see clearly there's some dirt built up. Look at down at the bottom of the oil pan. Fortunately, this is one of those screw together fuel pumps. So there's a place up in Texas called Terrell Machine up in Terrell, Texas. They'll actually rebuild this. So I don't have to go out there and go look for one. I'm just going to go send this one out and just go have it rebuilt. But as you can see, it's all nasty. It's pretty much all here, but that's what you have to deal with. Looks like there's a lot of good paint underneath there. But I'm fixing to get my power washer out and have at it. I don't know how much I'm going to film with that, but all right, 25 by 30 out.